This is a test of the Roland Space Echo RE 201. First, I'm going to use the first head for the fastest echo and with the slowest motor speed and the intensity feedback all off, and then I go up to the second head for a longer echo, and then to the third head for the longest echo, and then the fourth setting for the combination of the heads, and then go to the heads the same but with the reverb, the spring reverb, and do some tests with the motor speed and the feedback that goes in self-oscillation. Test. Test. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That is the first head, and now the second head. For a longer echo. And the third head for the longest echo. With the slowest motor setting. And this combination of the heads. And this is with the spring reverb. First head, second head for longer echo, and the third head for the longest echo with spring reverb, and the combinations all working well. Sounds great. And the final setting. This is reverb only. And now I do some echo settings with motor speed. And because the motor speed is higher, there is more tape over the heads, so you have a better high. There's more tape per second going over the heads, so there is a better high frequency response. And some feedback of the speaker. Second head. And you can do nice pitch changes. Third head. And goes nice You can do all kind of tricks, of course.